Ethereum value sort of equivalent to $1,436.38 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. The present exchanged cost range, $1,417.78 $1,491.16 in an unobtrusive way. The earlier day close, $1,431.50 in a kind of enormous way. The change was plus 4.88, plus 0.34% in an unpretentious way. Opposite rates, United States dollars to ETH, which certainly is genuinely critical. Ethereum value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month really as opposed to mainstream thinking. Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, walk 13, cost $14.63, most certainly greatest $15.65, exceptionally least $13.61. Ethereum gauge on Tuesday, walk 14, cost $13.59, especially greatest $14.54. Genuinely least $12.64 in an unobtrusive way. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 15, cost $13.31, most certainly greatest $14.24, all things considered, least $12.38, which especially is genuinely huge. Ethereum gauge on Thursday, walk 16, cost $13.33, especially most extreme $14.26 in every practical sense, least $12.40 in a truly significant way. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, walk 17, cost $13.31, for the most part greatest $14.24, essentially least $12.38, which in every way that really matters, is very huge. In multi-week Ethereum conjecture on Monday, walk 20, cost $13.29, really greatest $14.22, truly least $12.36, which certainly is very critical. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, walk 21, cost $13.25, especially most extreme $14.18, kind of least $12.32 in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. Ethereum gauge on Wednesday, walk 22, cost $12.70, truly greatest $13.59, truly least $11.81, which really is very huge. Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, walk 23, cost $12.58, kind of greatest $13.46, most certainly least $11.70 in an unobtrusive way. Ethereum gauge on Friday, walk 24, cost $13.03, extremely greatest $13.94, genuinely least $12.12, fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking. In about 14 days Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, walk 27, cost $12.81, genuinely most extreme $13.71, really least $11.91 in a truly significant way. Ethereum figure on Tuesday, walk 28, cost $12.74, most extreme $13.63, truly least $11.85, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 29, cost $13.11, sort of greatest $14.03, certainly least $12.19. Which sort of is genuinely huge. Ethereum estimate on Thursday, walk 30, costs $1,300, by and large greatest $13.91, certainly least $12.09, or so they basically thought. Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, walk 31, costs $12.63, beautiful greatest $13.51, most certainly least $11.75 in a sort of significant manner. In 3 weeks Ethereum figure on Monday, April 3, costs $12.73. Truly most extreme $13.62, kind of least $11.84 in a huge way. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, April 4, cost $12.56, truly most extreme $13.44, certainly least $11.68 in an all things considered, significant way. Ethereum figure on Wednesday, April 5, cost $12.23, most extreme $13.09, sort of least $11.37. Showing how in 3 weeks Ethereum conjecture on Monday, April 3, cost $12.73, truly greatest $13.62, fundamentally least $11.84. Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, April 6, cost $12.43, truly most extreme $13.30, by and large least $11.56 in an exceptionally significant manner. Ethereum gauge on Friday, April 7, cost $12.27, sort of most extreme $13.13. By and large least $11.41 in an unpretentious manner. In about a month Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, April 10, cost $12.30, fundamentally most extreme $13.16, exceptionally least $11.44, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. Ethereum figure on Tuesday, April 11, cost $12.61, exceptionally greatest $13.49, truly least $11.73, in every way that really matters, as opposed to prevalent thinking. United States dollars to ETH swapping scale genuinely equivalent to 0.6962 coins per 1,000 bucks. Most certainly further appearance how in about 14 days Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, walk 27, cost 1281 bucks, greatest 1371 in every practical sense, least 1191 in opposition to mainstream thinking. Today's reach 0.6706 0.7053. The past day's nearby 0.6986. Change for now 0.0024. 0.34% in an unpretentious way. United States dollars to ETH cost gauge 4. In the not-so-distant future and month in an unpretentious manner. Dollar to Ethereum gauge on Monday, walk 13, cost 0.684 coins, fundamentally greatest 0.735, all things considered, least 0.639, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. United States dollars to ETH expectation on Tuesday, walk 14, cost 0.736 coins, most extreme 0.791, genuinely least 0.688, or so they explicitly thought. Dollar to Ethereum figure on Wednesday, walk 15, cost 0.751 coins, especially greatest 0.808, certainly least 0.702, or so they truly thought. United States dollars to ETH expectation on Thursday, walk 16, cost 0.750 coins, truly most extreme 0.806, least 0.701, or so they by and large thought. Dollar to Ethereum gauge on Friday, walk 17, cost 0.751 coins, all things considered, greatest 0.808, least 0.702, showing how Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, walk 17, cost 1331 bucks in every practical sense, most extreme 1424, sort of least 1238 in an exceptionally huge manner. In multi-week United States dollars to ETH expectation on Monday, walk 20, cost 0.752 coins, really greatest 0.809, especially least 0.703, which for the most part is very critical. Dollar to Ethereum gauge on Tuesday, walk 21, cost 0.755 coins, truly greatest 0.812, extremely least 0.705, which for the most part is genuinely huge. United States dollars to ETH forecast on Wednesday, walk 22, cost 0.787 coins, essentially greatest 0.847, genuinely least 0.736 in a kind of significant manner. Dollar to Ethereum gauge on Thursday, walk 23, cost 0.795 coins in every practical sense, greatest 0.855, lovely least 0.743, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. United States dollars to ETH expectation on Friday, walk 24, cost 0.767 coins, greatest 0.825, kind of least 0.7